Trying the another numerical based on the dot product. The information provided in this particular numerical is that sum and difference of two vectors are being given. A plus b and a minus b is given. We have to find the magnitude of each and then the scalar product of each. The question is in front of you. Have a reading of that. Side by side we will be starting with the question. Now we have been given a minus b and a plus b value. Just add both the equations, left side and right with the right side. To always remember, I cap will be added in I cap and j cap will be added in j cap and k cap will addition will be having in k cap. So it will be 6 I cap plus 8 j cap minus 10 k cap. Further it will be equal to 2 a cap because b will cancel. 2 times a vector will be equal to 6 I cap 8 j cap minus 10 k cap. Further we will be solving a cap, dividing whole equation by 2. The result will be 3 I cap plus 4 j cap minus 5 k cap. Now we have to find the magnitude of a vector. That has been asked in the first part, magnitude of each vector. That is, firstly we will be finding out the magnitude of the a vector. That will be equal to ax square plus ay square plus az square. This is further equal to 3 square is 9, 4 square is 16 and 25. It will be further equal to 25 plus 25, that is equal to under root of 50. Or you can further write it as 5 into 5 into 2, that is equal to 5 root 2. Similarly, we will be finding out the value of b vector first, then its magnitude by subtracting the given two equation. Now, if we subtract the given two equation, kindly see. Here I will be writing a vector value जो अपने को आ गई है, that is 5 root 2, magnitude of a vector, and a vector was coming out to us as over here 3 I cap plus 4 j cap minus 5 k cap was the value of a vector which we have just find out. Now b vector ਲਈ ਬੱਚੇ ਇਹ ਦੋਨੋਂ equations ਨੂੰ subtract ਕਰ ਦੋ, that is a vector plus b vector minus of a vector, minus of minus b vector will be plus of b vector, and over here minus 2 I cap. If we subtract 2 I cap minus 4 I cap is minus 2 I cap plus 6 j cap minus 2 is 4 j cap, and over here is 12 k cap. Further 2b vector is equal to minus 2 I cap plus 4 j cap plus 12 k cap. From here b vector will be equal to minus 1 I cap plus 2 j cap plus 6 k cap. This will be the value of b vector. Now we have to find the magnitude of b vector. How we will be finding out? Just bx square plus by square plus bz square, which is equal to square of minus 1, that is 1, square of 2, that is equal to 4, and square of 6, that is equal to 36. So its value will be under root of 41. That is not a perfect square, so we can leave it up to this. So the value of b vector will be over here. B magnitude is under root of 41, or b vector is equal to from here minus I cap plus 2 j cap plus 6 k cap. And after that we will be finding out the scalar product now.